Imagine hearing the world not just louder, but clearer, richer, and perfectly tailored to you. For years now, we at Mr. Yoo-Hoo have been following ELEHEAR's incredible journey. Watch them consistently upgrade their models, proving that the best truly does keep getting better. Today we're diving into the pinnacle of their innovation, the ELEHEAR Beyond Pro hearing aids, as you can see just here. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a profound leap forward in OTC hearing technology, designed to deliver real sound that can genuinely change your life. Now, I'm Andy from Mr. Yoo-Hoo, and if you caught my previous review of the ELEHEAR Beyond, as you can see here, you know I've been seriously impressed. I've actually done the ELEHEAR Beyond, the ELEHEAR Beyond upgraded model, and now the ELEHEAR Beyond Pro. Now I've put these to the ultimate test in real world scenarios. I can tell you the Pro model really is simply fantastic. How do I know they're fantastic? They've helped my dad immensely with his hearing and tinnitus, and he uses them all the time. A testament to how truly transformative these devices are. It's not just amplification, it's about connecting to the world again. Now, Dad's going to be going doing a video with me later where he's actually going to talk about his experiences with the ELEHEAR Beyond. So guys, you can look out for that. So in this full review, we're going to unbox the ELEHEAR Beyond Pro, showcase what makes its Vocale 2.0 technology so groundbreaking for speech clarity, explore its enhanced AI noise reduction and new music mode, demonstrate its seamless Bluetooth streaming and incredible real-time AI translation, and of course, detail its all-day battery life and personalized tinnitus relief. My goal is to show you exactly why these are the best OTC hearing aids that you can get right now. And as you can see, I'm putting them on my ears as we're talking, and that's how easy it is. You literally just pop them on and put them in your ears like that. See, there they are. And can you also see, guys, you can hardly see them as well. Look at that, like they literally are invisible. So stick around, because you're ready to hear real sound again. This review is for you. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tech reviews. Plus, guys, we're actually giving away a pair of these. We've already given away 2 sets. There's gonna be our 3rd pair, and we also thank ELEHEAR for sponsoring the giveaway too. Really appreciate it. And check links below, and also check further in the video to find out how to get more. Anyway, let's jump into the unboxing. So as always with ELEHEAR, the unboxing experience is clean, organized, and incredibly satisfying. Inside the box, you'll immediately be greeted by the ELEHEAR Beyond Pro hearing aids themselves, nestled in their smart charging case. Now, my first impression, as always with ELEHEAR, is that they maintain the familiar, discreet, lightweight design, but with a refined touch. You get a set of ear domes, and that is crucial, remember, for different ear shapes and sizes. Like last time, a USB-C charging cable and all the accessories you'd expect from a high-end product. They come in a beautiful silver finish as well, as you can see. Modern choice that looks incredibly premium. You just pop them in and they sit snugly, barely noticeable once they're on, especially with those included power domes, which I highly recommend for better fit and sound. So setting up is remarkably easy. So you just literally take the hearing aids out of the box, you put them behind your ear and put them in like that. See how easy that is? Via Bluetooth to your phone. The moment you remove them from the case, they're active. As you can see, there they are, just there, and fitting snugly into my ears. And straight away, you can hear the hearing amplification happening. I can hear so much more around me, which is great. I'm going to be testing it outside shortly to show you guys how it works in practice. Now, it really shows how far OTC hearing aids have come. It's literally that easy. Now, I'm going to pull up the app here to show you what I'm talking about. Now, one of the great things about the latest model is the changes they've made to the app. Now, they've made a lot of different updates, which has made an already fantastic app that much better. Now, as you can see, here is the app just here. Now, as you can see, I'm doing a screen record as we're trying it in real time. So to start with, it gives you the ability to change different modes of the hearing aids. So if you go there, you can see you've got default, general, restaurant, or music mode. Essentially what you can do is you can change these to adjust the environment around you. So restaurant's great, for example, if it's a lot of noise around you, you can hear the person in front of you much more easily. Music makes music a lot clearer, as you can see. You've got TV mode as well, which helps you listening to TV. And all these different modes makes it a lot easier just to customize exactly what you're doing. If you go here as well, you can actually turn up the different hearing aids. So you can adjust the left, as you can see here, or the right, turn up the volume, you can turn down the volume,
And there's things such as tone and making the noise brighter. So I'm going to do this now. So as I turn it up, it makes the noise a lot more brighter, so you can hear a lot more clearer. And you put tone up there as well. So essentially what I love with this, it gives you the ability to be able to adjust the hearing aids to your particular hearing aid style. Now you've got noise control there as well. Again, you can suppress the noise, the background noise. You can put it on maximum. These allows you to do it now. I press it there and it does change the ambient environment around me in the hearing aids. Advanced strong background suppression. I really can't hear anything in the background. So very, very good customization. And that's a great thing with these as well. It gives you full customization with the ELEHEAR Beyond Pro hearing aids. Now, you've got things such as how to set it up, how long you've been wearing it for, AI translation, which we'll go into a little bit later. It actually translates in real time the language, which I think is a fantastic touch. You've got environmental noise cancellation on there, as you can see. Currently, the environment noise is 40 when I'm talking. So it kind of adapts to that. You can capture your remote sound as well. Now, this tinnitus as well is something we've spoken about in previous videos. Now, essentially, my dad has tinnitus from working in a power station for a long period of time, and he hears a low buzzing. So this produces ambient sounds, as you can see here, which helps reduce that background that he gets. So wind, thunderstorm. I actually fell asleep to this last night. The sound is really beautiful. And as you can see, they've got so many different sounds on here as well. They've really expanded it for like fire. You can have fire and wind at the same time. Heavy rain, which is happening outside at the moment. Listen to how clear that is. So it's very, very good. I'm just going to turn the fire off as well. It gives you the ability, as I said, to change everything. Again, you can do your hearing test here, which we've done in previous reviews. I won't do it now. It actually tests your hearing to see what you need and customizes it. You can set up your profile. It is so comprehensive. And this is, I'd say, the most comprehensive app I've seen of any hearing aids or even earbuds that I've actually reviewed. So that's the ELEHEAR Beyond Pro quick look at the app. This works perfectly with the hearing aids and it's excellent.
Now let's talk about what sets the ELEHEAR Beyond Pro apart. It's core technology for sound quality. This model features Vocale 2.0 technology, and you immediately notice a difference. It's not just about making sound louder, it's about making it clearer and more natural. You get a 30% boost in speech intelligibility compared to previous versions. And I've experienced that firsthand. You see, when I put it into my ears and I'm using it, voices are sharp, not muffled or distorted, even in incredibly noisy environments. The latency is just 8 milliseconds, which is faster than most high-end earbuds, ensuring conversations feel incredibly natural and real. And crucially, each ELEHEAR Beyond Pro hearing aid is equipped with 2 microphones. So see just there, microphone up there, and also a microphone down there. These dual mics work together to provide precise directional hearing and enhanced noise cancellation, ensuring you pick up the sounds you want, not just everything around you. Well, how to do that? Well, it eliminates muffled, distorted, and sharp tones, bring you clearer, more natural conversations with enhanced high-frequency detail. So when I'm talking to someone in a crowded cafe, enjoying live music, or watching TV at home, voices cut through with amazing clarity, without annoying whistling or feedback you often get from traditional hearing aids. It really allows you to hear voices the way they're meant to. And when I was talking to my dad about them, he said, voices sound natural, rich, and full of dimension. It really does give you confidence for conversation. Now, as you can see, I'm wearing them outside. Now, the great thing is there's lots of outside noise, so I can change the modes to pick up the outside environment noise so I can hear it a lot more clearer, or I can adjust the earbuds so I can only hear the conversations that are around me. So this is the great thing about the different modes. So if you're outside in a busy cafe, you can change it so you can hear the people next to you, or you can hear the noises. Now, I can hear the birds, the dogs barking. It sounds really, really lovely. Change the modes, and I can have a conversation with the person right next to me. So very customizable and great for all different hearing environments as well. And as you see there, they are just there. And I guess that's the thing with ELEHEAR as well. They're such comprehensive hearing aids as well. They don't just do these for speech, it also has full range audio engine. So it delivers deep bass, smooth mids, and crisp, bright highs. The new music mode is specifically engineered to handle vocals and instruments, so your music sounds rich, balanced, and full of life. Music streaming never sounded this good from a hearing aid. So whether you're streaming Spotify, listening to a podcast on a windy walk in Surface Paradise, or even just video calls, everything cuts through just fine. You can play with friends, stay in tune, and enjoy streaming like never before. Now, beyond hearing, these hearing aids offer life-changing smart features. The real-time AI translation built into the app is wild. It supports 11 supported languages, including Spanish, French, Mandarin, and Japanese. Guys, this is incredible. I'm going to demonstrate it now for you and then come right back so you can see how it works. Now let's quickly do translation to give you an idea about the power of how it works. So press translation there and you choose the language that you want. And we're going to do Italian because I'm half Italian myself. We're going to press listen and play some Italian.
Piacere mio.
My pleasure.
Di dove sei? Sono di Roma. E tu?
I'm from Rome.
So it says,
and you?
I'm from Rome, and you? And let's reply back in English. I'm from Brisbane, Australia. How is Rome at the moment? There you go. So it responds with vengo to Brisbane in Australia, come e Roma in questo momento. So that's live translation. So you can actually use this when you're out and about in actually other countries. It really is incredible and actually better than a lot of other language translation devices I've used. As you can see, it works beautifully. Translates automatically as you're speaking, allowing you to enjoy seamless and fluent conversations without ever switching apps. Imagine traveling or speaking with someone in another language and getting live translation right through your hearing aids. That's what it does, guys, and it's not delayed at all. So as you're talking, they're talking back to you and you can actually hear it in their own language. It really is incredible. Now, I did it with the upgraded version earlier in the year, but this takes it to the next level. It really is amazing. And we did Spanish before. We did Italian just then. It's unbelievable. And for those battling tinnitus, the tinnitus masking feature has been upgraded again. Now, that feature was already incredible, from soft rain to ambient wind. And you can even create your own mix directly in the app, depending on what brings you the most relief. The most powerful part of this story, and something that genuinely moves me, is what happened when I gave these to my dad. He's had severe hearing issues for years, especially constant tinnitus that made it hard for him to sleep and focus. He spent over $5,000 on custom hearing aids before. When he tried the ELEHEAR Beyond Pro, no exaggeration, he was blown away. The tinnitus masking feature allows him to play calming sounds that genuinely reduce the ringing. He can still talk to people, watch TV, and even go for a walk outside, and he can hear the world more clearly. He tells me they adapt to his listening environment and he uses them all the time. Seeing how much relief and clarity he got from these was truly incredible and heartwarming. It's a kind of difference, guys, that doesn't just change how you hear, it changes how you live. And he worked at power stations for years, and the buzzing he has in the background is real from the noise he had. This changes it. So shout out to you, Dad. Now for hearing aids, the battery life is incredible. In the hearing aids themselves, you get the 20 hours of listening on a single charge. And a super fast 15-minute charge, guys, gives you 6 hours of use. The compact charging case here holds 4 extra charges, giving you over 100 hours of total listening time. The latest update even allows charging while the case is open, which is a small but incredibly practical upgrade. And for total peace of mind, ELEHEAR offers lifetime professional support, including remote fine-tuning by audiologists, ensuring your device is always optimized for you. Guys, they really do have the full package, and having the professional guidance as well ensures hearing aids is a journey you don't have to make alone. And remember, ELEHEAR Beyond are FDA approved in America as well, so perfect, they're really good. So what's my final verdict on the ELEHEAR Beyond Pro OTC hearing aids? If you like the original ELEHEAR Beyond, which I've got here, or the upgraded 2025 model, you're absolutely going to love these ones. ELEHEAR has clearly listened to feedback, making hardware and firmware upgrades that refine everything from sound clarity and connectivity to app functionality. These are a fantastic pair of OTC hearing aids that have helped my dad immensely. They're discreet, incredibly comfortable for all-day wear, and groundbreaking features like Vocale 2.0, enhanced AI noise reduction, a dedicated music mode, and real-time AI translation, all powered by an intuitive app. These guys are quite simply the best OTC hearing aids you can get right now. And as I said, I've listened to music in these. It's up there with the top tier brands. So whether you're a first-time user, grading from an older pair, or simply looking for a smart, incredibly effective way to enhance your hearing, the ELEHEAR Beyond Pro deserves your serious attention.
And guys, seeing actually how they transform my dad's life, I can't recommend them well enough. I mean, they really are amazing. So you get these. You can still get the ELEHEAR Beyond or the ELEHEAR Beyond upgraded model. They're all fantastic hearing aids. It just depends what you want, the budget you have, and how you want to work with it. But remember, we've got the giveaway going. Literally, we're giving away a pair of these worth $600. So join the giveaway in links below, but also comment a friend and also share on social media. So we'll be watching social media to see which of you get bonus entries for sharing. So comment, share to a friend, and share the love. These really are changing lives. So check out all the ELEHEAR Beyond hearing aid reviews, and we'll also do a comparison and check out the teaser video we did previously. But so excited to be using these. Anyway, thanks for joining me here, Andy at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.